My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Janitor AI network error. So guys, a network error is Janitor AI usually occur when a website cannot communicate with its server or your configuration AI provider. The issue may be caused by the unstable internet connection and the browsing problem. Okay, so guys, to fix this issue, first of all check your internet connection. So guys, weak connection is one of the most common cause of the network error. So you simply restart your Wi-Fi and the router and switch between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Also guys, restart your device, so try to opening the other website to confirm your connection is working or not. Another thing is guys, refresh your Janitor AI. So guys, temporary connection failure can often be resolved by refreshing the page. So guys, you reload the website and close and reopen the browser and sign back into your account. Then you try and then retry and sending your message. Still having the issue? So guys, you check if the Janitor AI is down. So if the Janitor AI server are unable, so you all need to wait until the server is restored. Check the community forums or the social media forums for the outage report and retry after the few minutes if the other reporting the same issues. Another thing is guys, verify your API proxy settings. If you are using external API, so confirm your API key is valid and your API endpoint is correct, and check that your proxy URL is accurate and ensure the AI provider account has available credits. Incorrect API setting can prevent the janitor from the generating a response. Okay, also disable your VPN the proxies. So guys, if you are using any VPN and any proxy, so guys, also you also disable this, and external extensions also. So if you have any extensions, so remove all of them for a few minutes, just verify to that these things are working properly or not. So this is the way that you can do, and guys, thank you and have a nice day.